Very good evening, everyone. Warm welcome to our Crude Gurukul webinar, right? India trades independently, right? If you all know me, right, I have been providing training and lifetime support to our Telegram members and other social platforms also, right? From like last 5-6 years on Telegram, and today, the topic of discussion was how to convert 25K to 1 CR in 9 months, right? And we will understand the process, how to do that. Okay. So, do you think what is the main obstacle that you all were facing? Accuracy, right? Accuracy was not coming, right? Accuracy was less earlier. Right now, the problem has been resolved. See, gold even can provide 88% accuracy. Okay, any stock, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we have other stuffs also. So let's discuss a slide little bit, right? And then we go to the system. First of all, we are going to discuss about the process, how to do it, right? And then we are going to go to the system. So before going to the system, we should know the process of converting, right? So let's start with the first slide that we are going to discuss. Okay. So let's see this graph. Okay. So time is money, right? Everyone, time is money. And so when we started first, right? When we entered in this trading world, right? Others must have had told, right, that do not enter in this market. This is very risky. I'm right or I'm right? Everyone must have heard this term, right? So do not go in this market. This is very risky. You all have heard this, right? And indeed, it is not wrong. It is true, right? It is true because we can understand. Right? We can understand with the votings and we can understand with the statistics also that most of the people, the percentage, the maximum percentages are on loss-making traders, and very few people are making profit in this market, right? So this is the graph by different brokers, right? So the reason, there is a lot of reason behind it, right? Lack of planning, lack of trading plan, risk management. Okay, so the most important reason is this one, right? Knowledge, lack of knowledge, right? People have lack of knowledge, right? So before learning, they start trading with calls and views. So through voting, we have understood that few people trade themselves and few people trade on different calls. Okay, but we don't know how good the person is who is providing the call. Right? So we are not discussing about that. We are going to discuss about the process how to become successful in this market. See, becoming a day trader, the process is education first, right? Then we understand that this is the system. Okay, the system is kind of say like you develop your system, developing a trading plan with a certain time frame, risk management, right, condition of the market, which market you want to trade, type of entry, stops and targets, right? After you develop a trading plan, right, then what we do? Okay, so the next step is paper trading, right? Develop a trading plan and then we go for back testing the strategy, that is it working or not. So we make several attempts, right? Few years passes by testing only, and then we get a strategy which is profitable and we start making profit with that strategy, right? So see, the graph is kind of like this. Okay, graph is the beginners starts take entry in this market and want to get rich faster. But 40% of the people trade only for 1 month and go out, right? 80%. Kindly, this back noise is coming. Mute, please. If you have any queries, you can ask. Okay. So 80% of the people struggling for next 2 years, okay, and then quit at the end, right? They tried a lot, right? They anyhow arranged the money again, and they again traded, but they repeated the same cycle again and again, right? Trade, profit loss, ultimately coming down to zero again, and eventually they lose hope and they go out. After 5 years, people starts making profit. So for the first 5 years, it's a learning process. Market teaches us till time we understand the trading psychology, money management, how market behaves. A proper strategy we develop and follow with discipline. Till it takes time, right? 5 years. Till this 5 years, people are making losses. That is why this graph is in loss side. Okay. And after 5 years, people eventually start making profit because they know the secret of the market after that. Even I started, right? So lot of ideas, lot of attempts, and eventually we get success. Right? So this is a process. It is a time-consuming, loss-making process. Everyone has to face in this trading world, right? But we have developed the process, right? So traders are like bamboo trees. First 5 years only little growth, right? After 5 years, you'll see the bamboo tree is growing very fast. So traders are like these bamboo trees only. Okay. So see, the main thing is what before going to the we understood that the knowledge is very, very important. Then we go for we make a strategy and then we test that strategy, and then that strategy eventually starts providing profit, right? See, you all have a dream, right? We all have a dream, right? So one question, what is your expectation for next month? Say you start from first month, right? Okay. So day one. Okay. So what is the planning for the month? How much is your expectation? See, there is a process to turn the dream into reality. Okay. Dream written down with a date becomes a goal, right? A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. Plan backed up by action makes your dream into reality. Right? So only dream will not work that I'm going to get successful and rich in this market. Dream will only not work. With that dream, we need to believe in our dream, right? Execute with a plan, and we have to achieve the target. So the question is, see, the planning is missing. This is the root cause of the loss making traders. Do you plan before you trade? Even trading is not only just we make a trade. It's a business that we have started with a certain amount of capital. Say like we have started with 1 lakh capital. Okay. So how to make it 2 lakh? How to make it 4 lakh, 5 lakh? You must be having a plan with you. What is your expectation for the next month? See, if you answer, right, then only I'll be able to explain you in a better way. Right? Say you start with 1 lakh or 2 lakh. So at the end of the month, what is your expectation? How much profit you want? Yeah, anyone? Any answers?
5-10%.
Okay, so you want only if you have 1 lakh capital, so you want 10%. That is good enough. Okay, that is equals to 10,000. Okay, all right. Any other? Any views? How much is your expectation to gain in a month? It depends from person to person. Someone can have, 5,000, someone can 10,000, someone wants 1 lakh, someone wants 10 lakh in a month, right? So it varies from person to person. So you have to break it into a goal. You have to divide. So say if you want to make, say I will say 40,000, okay, in a month with a capital of 1 lakh. Okay, so that is 40%. So each week your target should be 10,000, right? You have to break it down into a smaller goals. So for the first week, your target should be to get 10,000. Now 10,000 into 4 weeks is going to get your target, right? 40,000. So you have to plan, right? And next, how to achieve that 10,000? Next, how to achieve that weekly target? You have to make a plan back and you have to take action with your plan, which is going to turn your dream into reality, right? So break your dream into smaller and smaller goals. Okay, it's not like, I want 50,000 and I'm going to make it. That's it. We trade, we buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. At the end of the month, we see the capital has reduced to 50,000. 1 lakh has came down to 50,000. Why? Because the proper planning is missing. See, even a small business, even a small tea stall owner, right, makes a proper planning before in order to run a business. That he understands that, certain amount of milk is needed for this day. Okay, this amount of sugar, this amount of customers I'm expecting, this cup of tea will be made, my sales will be this, my profit will be this. So a lot of planning needed. But before trading, are we planning? Are we setting a goal? No, we are just trading. Right? In fear, in greed. In greed, we take entry and in fear, we exit. We are driven by emotion only. Intraday traders wants to get rich in a day. They want 50 lakh in a day, 1 CR in a day. See, Rome is not built in a single day, right? So we cannot become rich in a single day. The process has to be, slow and steady wins the race, right? When we were small, right? When we were kid, right? We all of us know this story, right? The tortoise and this rabbit, right? So eventually the tortoise won. How? Because he didn't stop. If you stop in the middle, slow and steady wins the race. Even you are making good profit, but if you stop in the middle, right, you will lose your progress. Right? So the process has to be slow but steady. Okay, and no greed, no fear, nothing. See, trade begins when fear ends. How to remove this fear, I'm going to tell you. And how to remove the greed also, that is also I'm going to tell you. Okay, so this session is going to be, hopefully helpful for you because you are giving your time, right? So we would like to, share as much knowledge as possible. Okay, all right. So see, this fear is our enemy, greed is our enemy, right? The emotion is our enemy always. So we have to remove this, but how? That is the question. You versus you will always be your biggest fight. And we are always fighting with ourselves only, not with anyone else. We are always trying to improve ourselves only so that we can get success in this money. Right? But the thing is how? Money, method, and mindset. You have money, right? But you lack method. You lack mindset also, not going to make profit. Right? You have money, you have method, but no mindset, no profit. You have money, you have method and mindset, 100% profit, guaranteed. Okay. So but the method has to be good, right? Provided the method has to be good. Okay. So let's go and discuss. See, you have to first win it in your mind. Is everything clear in your mind? that how you are going to turn 1 lakh into 1 CR or 25,000 into 1 CR. So how is the trading process going to happen? Is everything is clear in your mind? You have to win in your mind first. See, everything we are doing with brain. The person who build, everything is possible. We need to believe first that it is possible. Then only it is going to get clear in mind. Right? The person who built computer or mobile, okay, or forget about that. People have, a person's brain is very, very, is the most unique thing in this world. We can do anything in this world, right? Everything is possible. But first we have to win in our mind, okay? So say if you make a painting, right? You draw and you color. So you have a proper setup in your mind first, then you start painting it on a paper, and then you color it, and then it turns into a reality, a good, a good portrait. Say we talk about this portrait, right? Someone has to plan this, that I have to do like this, and then color it, and then it turns into a reality, right? See, looks like a super portrait this. And so the proper planning starts from the head, right? Everything has to be clear. Now, let's talk about the process, how this is possible. Okay, how I'm going to tell you, the compound thing, Okay, so let's go and check this out. Okay, so, okay, yeah. Let's go and take the slide, and then, okay. So now we are going to start the calculation. Okay, everyone ready? Everyone ready? So how many of you believe, just a question, that it is possible? Converting 25K to 1 CR is possible. How many of you believe that it is possible? No beliefs from anyone? Okay. No one have any belief that it is possible? Okay, great. No issues. All right. We are going to break smaller and smaller steps. Okay. So suppose someone starts with what is your we all are intraday trader. So one day, right? Intraday traders, what is your expectation for a single day? Anyone trading intraday here or positional traders? What is your expectation? Like today, you are trading. So what do you expect? Return 10K, 5K, 20K. How much? How much do you want in a day? Okay, so back noise is coming in. Kindly mute so that others doesn't get disturbed. Okay, so any answers from anyone? What if you are an intraday trader, right? You are trading today. So you can make trade in crude, NG, natural gas, gold, silver, Nifty, Bank Nifty, any script. What do you expect in return? What is your plan to get 10,000 today, or 20,000 today, or 5,000 today, or 2,000 today? How much? Yeah, any answers from anyone? Okay, so let's suppose. Okay, we are getting back noise again. Kindly mute. Okay, if you have to answer, then only unmute. Okay. Okay. All right. So we are going to discuss about the process now, how to convert 25K to 1 CR. Right. Now say the expectation is to make 25K in a month. So for that, what we need? Say the expectation is for 25K, right? 25K. So for a week, divided into 4, right? So weekly target will be around how much? Say 7K. Okay. 7K into 4 weeks is equals to 28K. Right? You remove the brokerages and all, it comes down to 25K. Right? So the thing is, our target is 7,000 for the week. Is it possible or not possible? 1 week, can you make profit of 7,000? With a capital of 25K. 7,000. Okay. All right. So see how it is possible, right? So this 7,000 is the weekly target, right? So in a month into 4 is equals to how much? 28. We assume it as 25K. Okay. And this is possible. I'm going to show you how it is possible. Okay. Now you will say, sir, some week we might make losses also, right? So after profit and loss, say you make 15K, right? You lost 8K and net is 7K. So after profit and loss, outcome is 7K for the week. So like this, we have to make it 4 weeks, right? So that comes around how much? 25K, right? So if we can make 25K return in a month, right? If we can make 25K return in a month, that is how much? That is 100% return, right? 25K plus 25K is equals to 50K, right? The first month, right? So the thing is that this 25K, how we are going to make? Say if you trade in crude, your target has to be 250 points for the month is equals to 25K, right? If you trade NG, your target has to be 20 points for the month is equals to 25K. If you trade in copper, your target has to be 10 points only for the month in order to turn it to 25K. Right? 10 points. That is, in a month, right? 20 days are there. Okay. So daily it is coming around 0.5 points only. 0.5 points profit in copper. Is it possible? You tell me, is it possible or not? 0.5 point can you make or not in copper? We are looking for 100 points profit. 50 points, 5 points, 10 points in a day. I'm asking you to make only 0.5 points profit, which is going to provide you 100% return after the month end. Are you understanding this? Right? So 20 days, you are getting 10 points is equals to 25K. That is 25K plus 25K is equals to 50K. Anyhow, this has to be constant. Either you trade in crude, NG, Nifty. Nifty 1,000 points. Okay. Nifty 1,000 points equals to 25K. DNF nearly 2,000 points, right, in a month. So break it down into 20 days. That is 200 points. Okay. or only 500 points in a week. 500 points in a week is into 4 equals to 2000. 500 points in a week, weekly. So is it possible? Can you make it or not? See, I'm going to show you the system. Then only we have the system. If the accuracy is 90%, then it is possible, right? And this is achievable, right? So we are going to say this is going to, you take any script. Say you take Nifty for 1000 points. Okay. Let me clear the drawings. Clear all drawings, right? So let's take Nifty 1000 points. Okay, so divide by 4 is equals to 250 points in a week target. Monthly 1000 points is equals to 25K, right? Now, so we get this target every week. So we make 25K in the first month, right? And the profit came out to be how much? Is equals to 50K, right? Now, again, the target has to be same. The lot size here was how much? One lot. Okay. Only one lot, right? We trade with patience for 250 points weekly target, right? And in 4 weeks, we get 25K and we get 100% return. Only one lot, right? We have doubled the capital to 50K. Now this 250 points weekly is going to be constant and 1000 points monthly is going to be constant. Or 500 points in BNF is easy, right? In a single day, BNF moved for 1000 points, right? If you talk about option, Sensex, 150 call, right, turn to 350, right? That is 200 points there in a single day, right? So it is possible. I provided the call. If you have checked it, right, provided the call in Sensex, right? 150 CE turn to 350, right? So it is possible, right? Everything is possible in this market. Here, human brain is the limit. Okay, sky is not the limit. Only human brain is the limit. And there is no limit in this human brain. Okay, people have gone to the moon. Okay, this computer has been built by a person only. This mobile, laptops, everything is being done by a human being. So why not this trading? Trading is also a science, right? So, you have to understand the right way how to do it. Okay, this is possible. Just make it clear in your head how to do it. Okay, first month your lot size is only one lot. Okay, your target is fixed. 1000 points in Nifty, right? 1000 points into one lot is equals to how much? 25,000. Okay, so 25,000 plus 25 is equals to 50K. That was 1000 into one lot. Okay, now with 25,000, okay, you used only one lot. Now your capital is 50K. So the capital got doubled, the lot size also gets doubled, right? It is okay or not? Target remains same. 1000 points target remains same here. So 1000 into 2, right, is equals to 25K into 2 is equals to 50K, right? 50K gain with 2 lot and the target is same, 1000 points, right? Target is same. So 50 plus 50 is equals to 1 lakh now, right? 2 months, we have turned 25K to 1 lakh now, right? Now, this 1 lakh comes here. Third month, right? So if 50K, you are using 2 lot. Is my voice audible to everyone? Hello? Okay, screen visible and is my voice audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now,
Yes,
kindly
sir.
answer. If you have 25K, you used one lot for 1000 points. Now, with simple, with simple here, with once you have 50K, you have how many lots now? You can take two lots, right? Now, again, 1000 points constant, right? Now it comes down here. When 50K, two lots, 1 lakh, how many lots? Four lot. No greed, no fear. Four lot constant, right? This four lot is going to be constant. And the target would be same. 500 points weekly for BNF, which is very, very easily possible. Very, very easily possible. Within this month, BNF has make movement for 3000 points. 3000 points down and 2000 points up. 5000 points movement it has showed, right? Within these 2-3 weeks. We need only 500 points weekly, right? So very, very easy, right? With now we are going to make 4 lot and target would be constant 1000 points in Nifty. It doesn't changes. So no greed, no fear, right? You have everything in your mind, clear view, clean and clear picture, right? So now your gain is 1 lakh, right? 25K into 4 lot is equals to 1 lakh. So 1 lakh plus 1 lakh is equals to 2 easy lakhs here. Right? Within third month, 25K turned to 2 lakh with a proper clear setup. Right? Clean and clear idea. Everything is clear in mind. 1 lot, 2 lot. This is my target, weekly target, monthly target. Right? Anyhow, we have to achieve this target. Everything is clear in our head. This is the first thing. Everything has to be clear in your head. In the same way, the third month, 2 lakh turns to 4 lakh, 4 lakh turns to 8 lakh, 8 lakh turns to 16, 16 turns to 32, 32 turns to 64 lakh, and 64 lakh turns to 1.28 CR. Okay, but here, the lot size is going to be 256 lot. You are going to trade with this huge lot at this point of time. Okay, if it is not possible in 9 months, then you can divide it to 18 months, but it is possible, right? 500 point monthly in Bank Nifty, 2000 point equals to 30,000 profit. Okay, in a month is not a very, very big target. This is easily achievable. So did you understood the process? It is possible. Now we have the system with us, which is going to turn this dream into reality with 90% accuracy, 80 to 90%. Okay. So now do you believe that it is possible with consistency, discipline, and a proper trading plan? Is it possible or not? Any answers? Are you getting the belief that you can do it now?
Yes, sir.
Great. That is that. At least we got one. So first
Yes,
thing
sir.
is great. Lord Krishna has said, believing in self is the first secret to success. If you do not believe in yourself, then it is not possible, because once you believe this, everything starts happening. The things gets clear. You get the process and everything. So believing is the key, right? Okay. So simple and easy step. Now let's go to the I'll clear the screen. Let's go to the system so that I can show you the system. All right. So simple and easy, right? Very, very easy. But trading plan discipline is the key, right? It takes a lot of time to learn, right? Then paper trade, right? Then building a strategy, and then back testing that my strategy is working or not. Okay, once it works, we start doing real trade. So it takes time. How much time? At least 5 years will be needed in this market. At least 5 years. And within this period of time, we suffer a lot of losses while trading. Intraday, mostly intraday traders make big losses. Okay. So, you know, now it is possible. See, if you go and learn from a reputed website, that is NSE course, right? Once we go to the NSE course, right, you see 1.5 lakh to 4 lakh. This is just the investment. Okay, they will teach you fundamental, technicals, everything. Right. Next, your trading. You have to trade yourself. You have the knowledge. Next, you are going to make a strategy, then you are going to back test it, right? And then you are going to paper trade, and then you are going to real trade. So a long process, right? A very, very long process. Lot of failures comes as well, right? We have different ideas. I have built, so many, I have made a lot of attempts, and then I have got success in this market. And as you already know, that I have been providing lifetime support to everyone on Telegram, on Facebook, on front page, and YouTube also, right? So my my intention was to always to provide my views and to help with whatever knowledge I have. Okay, so we have made this system. Okay, earlier the accuracy was the system, but now if you check this Nifty Bank 5 minutes chart, okay, you are going to get 80% accuracy here. You see, this is the number of points here, 10,000 points in Bank Nifty in 5 minutes chart, and not just 10,000 rupees profit. This is 10,000 plus points profit with accuracy of 80%. Okay, average trade of 203 points per trade. Okay, if you go to bigger time frame, okay, 15 minutes chart, you see little positional traders, see 17,000 points with 84% accuracy, right? 350 points average trade. Okay, so everything, it took time, lot of time for me. Now you can check the trades here. Okay, you check the trades here, right? You check the trades. I'm going to tell you the secret also, how to overcome. You check the secret. You see, when the loss is big, okay, you'll say, sir, your profit is small and the loss is big. Now, how you are going to overcome? Any answer? Anyone have any idea to overcome this situation? You are going to make much more profit than what it shows here, if you can understand this thing. If the system is providing this much loss and small profit, okay, but the accuracy is 80%. See, if you take option trade, you take 100 rupees call option, right? 100 rupees call option for both of the cases, for this trade and this trade, both the trade. What is going to happen? Anyone? Any answers? 100 rupees call option is going to turn down to 0, right? Now we communicate with each other. Some question answers. Okay. So reply. All right. So if you have only 100 rupees call option, okay, even it goes for 5,000 points, 10,000 points down. What is your maximum loss? No answers?
100 points.
100 पॉइंट्स ओनली, राइट? चाहे ये 1000 पॉइंट भी क्यों ना गिर जाए, 10,000 पॉइंट भी क्यों ना गिर जाए, योर loss will be only 100 points. But when it rises for 600 points, then what is going to happen to that 100 call option? It is going to turn to 200, 300, 400 easy, right? 3x, 4x easy returns. So your gain will be further higher, right? 2x, 3x, 5x returns in there. So if you are an option trader, this is a jackpot system for you with 80% accuracy. Option trading with 80% accuracy. Now, can you become a billionaire? Now tell me. Now you think it is possible, right? One trade, if you make, 10,000, okay, then, 2, 3 trades, you are going to make 30,000. 25,000 target easily achievable. Okay, you go and check the accuracy. 900 points. Okay, 155 points. Okay, 400 points, 250 points. You see, big loss. But what is your loss size? Only 100 rupees. Right? How much? Only 100 rupees. Right? But when market moves for 800 points upside, easy 500 points gain. Easy. 500 points into 1.5. How much? Right? Easy 10,000. Okay? So, jackpot system. Jackpot system is, we have built, it took me a lot of time, lot of years, my whole life, right? I have been building the system. Okay, I have made several attempts. This is not the only one attempt. Okay, I have made several attempts. Okay, and then only I have achieved success. Okay, you talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, any script. Okay, any script you talk about, you see list of trades in 5 minutes chart. Okay, for Bank Nifty, loss of 244. Okay, 300, but the max risk should be 100 points. That's it. Or 200 points, whatever the, call option you decide. But when it goes up for, 200, 300, 400, 500 points, then your gain will be higher. Okay, your gain will be higher. 500, 600, big gap up, right? Your gain will be higher. Right? This is Nifty. All the trades, and you can check any stocks. Any stocks also. Let's go and check any stocks here. It works in stocks also. See, stock future traders or option traders. If you are an future and option traders, stock option traders. Okay, you check Bajaj Finance futures. Okay, 77% accuracy, high return. Right? Reliance or any stock you check. You check SBI. Okay, SBI futures. Okay, 85,000 profit with 73% accuracy. Okay, you check, Bajaj Finance or any stock. Now we come down to gold, MCX trader. Okay, so gold trading. Lot of traders are, trapped in gold because they have not understood the psychology. Okay, just hold on. I need to fix the screen here. Fixing screen is an issue. Okay, great. So, see gold trades, 1 minute chart, right? Even 1 minute chart in gold, right? 92% accuracy, right? The profit of 7,81,000 here, and average trade is 20,000. Okay, you check the list of trades here. Okay, positional trades can simply, buy and hold, or, you can take option here also, right? So, see, new buy trade is in 1,000 rupees. loss. Okay. Earlier trade closed with 400, 900, 61,000 rupees profit. This is just 1 minute chart. 600 points profit, 500 points profit, 200 points profit, right? Nearly 300 points profit, 1 minute chart, right? This is 1 minute chart. You see, 7,000 loss here, 62,000 profit, 57,000, 55. Okay, 80,000 loss here. Okay. All right. But the accuracy is very, very high. 19,000, 12,000, 15,000, 16,000. Right? So when we have high accurate system with us, okay, then we no need to worry. Let's see 35. This is just 1 minute trade. Here. All right. Okay. See, this is in. I need to remove this. This is 15 minutes chart, right? Let's go and check the candlestick. You need to get satisfied with the candles first. You see the system first, right? This is a normal candle. Okay, the earlier trade, the buy executed here at this place, right? Again, buy executed and it closed here, right? So huge profit in gold, and again buy has executed here, right? Again buy has executed here in 15 minutes chart. Now you see, these are normal candles, no Heikin-Ashi or no Renko candles, right? So all the values showed here are real, right? All the values that we see in list of trades are real values, okay? Not any fake values. These are all real trades, okay? So it doesn't changes. The value remains constant. And you see the system with 88% accuracy in gold trade, more than 20 lakh profit in gold, 40,000 profit average trade. And so it took me a lot of time. I gained a lot of knowledge first. Then I built my strategy. Then I back tested. Then I went to the coder. The coder coded the system, right? And then I back tested again. And then I got this profitable result, right? So everything is shown to you. You can check. Any doubt, you can ask, right? Everything is here in front of you. Any doubt? We can generate alert on our mobile. You no need to ask anyone for any views. That what is the view? Is it on buy side or sell side? You have your system, just check it. You can generate alert here, okay? And the screen is going to pop up buy and sell signal in your screen. In your mobile screen also, whenever this buy call comes, you will easily get it in your mobile screen and make the trade. No need to ask anyone. Okay, no need to ask anyone. You can check the list of trades here, huge profits, right? High accurate trades, huge profits. Okay. So, and we have the system for you as well. So if you constantly make 25,000 25,000, that is very, very easy. Bank Nifty only 50 points week, 500 points weekly and nearly 2,000 points monthly, right? Easily achievable, the monthly targets of 25,000. And every month your lot size increases by 2. I have told you the process. And you keep on doing this process within next month, next 9 months, even your small capital of 25,000, 50,000 or 1 lakh, say you start with 1 lakh or 2 lakh, okay? Your capital is going to grow and you're going to trade lifetime and make profit lifetime. The struggle ends here, right? The loss journey ends here. All your loss is going to get recovered. right? And you can trade with this for lifetime and keep making profit. This is based on trading psychology. It is, highly profitable and a super system that has been built. I have decided to provide it to limited people only because we cannot share it to lot of people at a time. Okay. So gold, Nifty, Bank Nifty, any stock options, Nifty options, Bank Nifty options, all jackpots. Okay. So how was the everything so far? It took a lot of time for me, right? It is going to take time for you also. Learning process, building a strategy process, right? Then paper trading and then real trading, and then you are going to make profit. It will take time and losses will also come together. I have done everything for you. All back testing, all the process has already been done for you. You just have to get this system. So a system who can turn you into a billionaire, no doubt in this. So now, can you believe that you can become you can turn 1 lakh to 1 CR with the system? See, with the span of time, say you learn in next 2 years, 3 years. Within this next 2, 3 years, how much capital you are going to lose, you don't know. With your emotion, with your greed, with your fear, how much capital you are going to lose, right? That, only God knows. Okay. I have the whole system for you to get this system and trade lifetime with discipline and make profit lifetime with the system. Those who all are interested to get this system can WhatsApp me personally. Okay, I will leave my WhatsApp number in group and you all can WhatsApp me personally. So this was the system that I had. Okay, I showed you all live. The market is running live. You can check here. Okay, 1 minute chart also generated the buy signal here. Okay, so everything is shown live. You think once again how much loss you are going to make in coming years. Okay, and yeah, I will reveal the price for you. This is only 1 lakh. No bargaining, no deduction. Okay, nothing. Only 1 lakh and you can become a billionaire. The process has also been told how to do it. And this 90% accurate system, you can easily make crores and more with this system. The price is only 1 lakh per you. See the trade, the coding cost, the knowledge cost, back testing cost, all includes more than 80K. Okay. And the overall price we have kept is only 1 lakh for this. Okay. We don't know that we are going to provide this system later or not. It is available for now. Okay. And those who are going to get this for now, we are going to provide them the installment option for them. Okay. So 2 installment they can pay and get the system. The next pay they can make with the profit they make. The second installment they can make with the profit they make with the system. Okay. So thank you for joining. Thank you for your time. Hopefully you'll have gained little understanding. Keep learning, because learning is important. Without learning, it is very, very difficult. You have to make a trading plan first, then back test, and then you have to trade. Without knowledge, it is very, very difficult. This is our course details. Those who want to learn from me, they can come and WhatsApp me for the learning process also. We provide lifetime support. Thank you for joining. You all can WhatsApp me at the rate 9007165 as well for more queries. Thank you. That was all from my side.